Hey viewers, thank you for joining us. Here we want to solve this radical expression here, and we have square root of 29 squared minus 13 squared. Now when we look at what is inside the root here, is in the form of difference of two squares. That is, when we have a square minus b squared, we can write this as a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So now when we express this in that form, we can say this inside the root will be square root of now 29 minus 13, then times 29 plus 13. So we have applied that, which is difference of two square, and from there we can see that here we are going to have square root of 29 minus 13, that's 16, square root of 16, then times, when two brackets are close to each other, that's times, then 29 plus 13, that's 42, and from there we can separate it as well and say this will be square root of 16 times square root of 42, and this will be square root of 16, that's 4, then times root 42, that's 4 root 42. That's the solution to this problem. We say thank you for joining us, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more of our videos. We say thank you and bye for now.